Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Olympiad Guruji. Today we will be solving a question of Indian National Mathematics Olympiad, and this question came in year 2005. So let's get started. So the question is, let alpha and beta be positive integers such that 43 upon 197 less than alpha upon beta less than 17 upon 77. Then find the minimum possible value of beta. It will be very convenient if we calculate beta upon alpha. So beta upon alpha is in between 77 upon 17 to 197 upon 43. Now we can observe that it is 4 point something something, and it is also 4 point something something. It means that beta by alpha is a number in between 4 to 5. So we may assume that beta is equal to 4 alpha plus x, where x is in between 0 to alpha. Now we have 9 upon 17 less than x upon alpha less than 25 upon 43. And from here I can write it as x is greater than, alpha. Alpha is greater than 43x upon 25 less than 17x upon 9. Now we can put the values of x in order to find alpha. So alpha is in between 43x upon 25 to 17x upon 9. So if we take x equals to 1, then it is 1 point something something to 1 point something something. And there is no integer in between these two numbers. So it is rejected. If we take x equals to 2, then it is 3 point something something to 3 point something something. Again, no solution. If we take x equals to 3, then it is 5 point something something to 5 point something something. Again, no solution. If we take x equals to 4, then it is 6 point something something to 7 point something something. Now we have an integer in between these two numbers, and that is alpha equals to 7. So from 1 we can see that if we take alpha 7 and x is 4, then beta is coming out to be 32. Now one question arises, is it the minimum possible value of beta, or we can have value less than 32? So let's check it. If x greater than 4, that is x greater equals to 5, then alpha will be greater than 8. Okay, then we have to find the value of beta. Okay, so let's find the range of 4 alpha plus x if x is greater equals to 5 and alpha greater than 8. So 4 alpha is greater than 32 and x is greater than equal to 5. So beta would be greater than 37. So we can observe that if we take any value greater than 4, then beta would be greater than 37. Hence 32 is the only minimum possible value of beta. So this would be the final answer. Hope you got it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.